I don't know say, ikaite karibele. I go dance with you, I go joke with you, but I no go touch your cherry. I go make you happy, roll it back. Open the jumper, button.
My name is Alhaji Hussein Suleiman. I'm Chief Security Officer, Federal Polytechnic, Bida here.
Sir, it's nice meeting you and talking to you actually. And we've seen the good work you've been doing to ensure the security in the campus. So what other promises are you going to make?
I'm Major Edi Mohammed, Acting Commanding Officer at Litani Barracks.
Okay. So, sir, what can you say? Is there an approval from you?
Come your way, everybody run away. We money come your way.
Yes.
We are waiting for you, everybody.
Everybody is my
So where is the location?
I stayed in reservation at the top of
Okay. So for the handing over now, where is it going to take place? So can you please introduce yourself?
Well, I'm Kasimia Okere by name. Rapidly. As a captain, and he became a SEAL, which is a Major General. He handed over to
Don't go say na training.